This is the Northwest Training Development Team and Pathways Coronavirus Update. Today's update shares more of the information the Prime Minister gave us about the changes to lockdown. The Prime Minister says that from Saturday the 4th of July, social distancing can move to 1 metre plus at times when it's not possible to keep 2 metres or 3 steps away from other people. We should still keep a social distance from other people we don't live with wherever we can. The 1 metre plus social distancing rule means that if we can't keep 2 metres or 3 steps away from other people, we should take extra steps to help stop the spread of the virus. These steps can include things like wearing face coverings or making sure that we sanitise or clean our hands regularly. There is a long list of things that businesses, shops and organisations could do to help stop the spread of the virus when keeping a 2 metre social distance is more difficult. The Prime Minister told us that from the 4th of July, pubs, restaurants and hairdressers will be able to open as long as they can take the steps needed to help keep people safe from catching the virus. Other places such as museums and cinemas and galleries, places of worship like churches and mosques and synagogues, outdoor playgrounds and outdoor gyms can also open if they can support people to stay safe from catching the virus. This means that visiting these places might feel very different to the way they felt before. Remember that just because these places are open, it doesn't mean you have to visit them. It's your choice. You can start visiting places when you feel ready. The Prime Minister explained that not all places can open from the 4th of July. There is still some work to be done. Places that can still not open from the 4th of July include swimming pools, spas and nail bars, indoor gyms and nightclubs. The kinds of places where it's very difficult to keep a social distance. The government will update us when they have worked out how these places can open and keep people safe. Some more places and organisations can begin to open from the 4th of July as long as they have put steps in place to keep people safe from catching the virus. The distance we have to keep from people we don't live with can reduce from 2 metres to 1 metre plus from the 4th of July in the types of places where it's hard to keep 2 metres apart. If we are 1 metre apart, places should help us to take extra steps to keep ourselves safe from the virus. We have to take extra care to keep each other safe when we're at a less distance from each other. The steps we could take include wearing face coverings or sanitising our hands.